So it's the morning on Thursday. We're here at Roaring Brook Campground at Baxter State Park. This is our tent site. Fire pit that we hope to use tonight.
But it's overcast. It's a bit wet.
Yeah, so today is a shakedown day. Ferd's going to try his new boots. New hiking shoes.
Notice the different colors.
They're keen. You probably have a pair of socks that exactly matches that somewhere, right?
No.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
This is all that's left of them.
And we're warming up the water for some tea this morning, but it's going to be a pretty light day.
Heating it up rather than just warming.
Yeah, we're heating it up. And we're car camping, so a lot of the stuff's just sitting in the car, which is helpful. Keeps it dry, keeps it away from bears if there happen to be any. And so we'll be doing a little hike later on. So we're here on the edge of Sandy Stream Pond. Beautiful view. We're heading over to South Turner Mountain, hoping to see Katahdin, but I can tell you right now that normally right there you're going to see the mountain, so I doubt we'll see much more from the top, but we'll take a look. And over here, a little way off the trail, about halfway up the mountain, there's a nice little spring. We'll go over there. Coming right out of the hillside. Well, we're coming up South Turner Mountain. Much of the trail recently has been like this, so I haven't had my camera out. This is horizontal. And it's getting lighter, and it looks like we're getting near the top, but I don't think we'll have much of a view. You can see the clouds coming right in right here. So I've reached an open place on the flank of the mountain here. Looks like a slide. I mean, it is a slide. I'm coming up in a little ways. And it just keeps on heading up the hillside here. Not sure how far. I bet the view up there is just about the same as it is right here. Let's see whether we go much further or not. Ferd's probably gone to the top. He might be on his way back down already. So we're on the top of South Turner Mountain. It's questionable weather. No thunderstorm or anything.
What do you mean questionable? It's just
Cloudy and it's
just a bit damp.
Yeah, it's cloudy and windy. Good.
There was a quarter stuck right in here.
Oh, is that right?
And there's a penny down there, so I'm 26 cents richer.
That's right.
Yeah, finders keepers. Yeah.
So don't underestimate the mountain, though. It's a
3,322 feet.
Yeah, so it's like 1,600 vertical, but it's in the guidebook it's called a moderate climb. Well, there are a few sections that are moderate, but there are several that are quite steep. A lot of steps built into the trail, though. So this is what the top of the mountain looks like. Some cairns. They bring you up the very rocky side on the east over down here, which is nice. And when you're first on the trail, you get to be the web catcher in the morning, but this is not on the trail. So we're at another scenic viewpoint. We've come down the mountain, back on Sandy Stream Pond. Beautiful shot here. Outlet of the stream.
The rock over there is nice.
Yeah, the one out in the middle there that's kind of jutting up.
There's some over there too. Nice too.
Yeah. It's just like a totally different landscape right here. Yeah, there's some over there.
It's flat.
Surprisingly, the moose are not jumping out of the bushes to greet us here. I bet there are a few around this pond, though. Probably away from the people. And here's the view of Katahdin. Right, you can't see anything still. We're on top of Borestone Mountain near Monson, Maine. The Borestone Audubon Sanctuary. And
for no visibility.
we came up here today because it was going to be awful with no visibility on top of Katahdin, which is 3 times as high as this. And not local elevation, but 3 times as high from sea level. And we're not seeing anything from up here either. I'll turn around, I'll do a 360-degree panorama. Oh, there's a little bit more at the top of the mountain. Nothing over here either. So it was a great hike. It's a very nice trail, but no view. And on this side it goes off almost on a cliff and
Into the abyss.
down very rapidly into the abyss with still nothing to see at the bottom. So
Bottomless pit.
we're about 1,500 feet above the lake if we could see it, and the vertical at Katahdin is, well, almost 3 times that from base level. Yeah.
Okay, so here I go. That was a little slide.
Yeah.
You heard that.
Ferd's taking a route that I will not take. He likes the challenges.
There I am. I'll be disappearing in a minute here.
Yeah. Well, I'll be coming right along in a minute here.
Alright.
There.
Is it rolling?
Yep, it's rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. So this is not a really tall mountain, but it has some challenging hike towards the top of it, which is fun. Steep and rocky. They did put some iron in the rocks in some places, which we... He's playing the bells right now. Tolling from the top of the mountain. Tolling as long as we're not trolling.